it, move it. I want you guys to move it. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Yeah. Put the hammers up. 5. Think you got a hot motor. Here they come. You got company, buddy. Go get him there, Tiger. Come on, hit him. Move it. Yeah, get them all in the pile in the middle there. That's the way we like her. Let there, Minnesota. Move it. Yeah! Get him in the center! Go get him, Tiger! Hit him there! Whoops, you missed him! What's there, Mr. Boy? Hey, guys! Come on, get him in there! Get him up there! Way up down there! Get him in the center! Bring it up there, guys! That's it! Good work! I don't know what's going on up there. There's two up there, three down there. Just having a good time. Yeah, Benny's old radiator. Come on, back up in here. Go get him, Tiger. Go get him. Three in one end, two in the other. Let's get them together. Push him out of the way. Where's he going? You ran off from him. He's down here. Well, let's go get him then. Put the hammer to him. Hit him. All that way for a little hit like that. There you go. Might be down to 3 cars. Hit him, guys. Boys. We got 4. We'll do something. Get down there. Move it, move it, move it. Hit him. Can't be letting him do nothing. You gotta be hitting these cars. Hey! Ron down there smoking, trying to get started. And he is started. Look at that car. Look at that thing. Yeah. Here they come. Here they come. Right over the top of him. Hit him in the front. Oh, over the side. They're mean machines, I'll tell you that. They are tough. Get him up in there, buddy. Now line them up and smack them. Hey, boomerang! Hit something, you're going backwards. 3 of them down too. Let's get them up there in the middle and fight it out. What the hell is them? Yeah! That's nice. Now what do we got? We got one down there spinning on his wheels. He can't do nothing, and there goes that outlaw. He's trying to get that one in the roller. Go get that other one down there. Oh, he can't do nothing. He don't move, you're all right. Okay, hold the cars. Hold the cars. These others can't do nothing, so these two here in the